Hello once again. Here I am shooting a video concerning the bilge fan soldering fume extractor setup, temporary setup. Here's the initial connector, the one that I had taken off of the fume extractor, and in doing so I have it temporarily hooked up with insulated alligator test leads in its correct polarity. I'm going to be using a power adapter. In testing purposes, I used a multimeter to check for polarity of the power adapter. And I had to make a couple of adjustments with my fisherman's needle nose pliers to some of the test leads because they were bent out of shape. Okay, in doing so, I've discovered that this item, fume extractor, will actually run off of 3 volts. It won't move a lot of air, but it's more efficient at 5 volts and above. Because the fume extractor is a 6 amp apparatus or motor, the power adapter tends to get very, very warm. So it's only for temporary setups or short run times. I guarantee you that this is not a 6 amp power adapter. That's why it gets warm. I do have a 6 amp setup for this item, being a power inverter that'll go from AC to DC that was previously used to power a car radio outside of the car on a test bench. So if I temporarily turn this on, even at 3 volts, it'll move air. It will move air. Okay. Sorry I didn't have the light on previously. So once again, this is at 3 volts. It is moving air at 3 volts. Previous connector, 12 volt cigarette lighter from a car or any other given 12 volt setup. Multimeter for checking the polarity of the connections. Fisherman's lineman's pliers for making minor adjustments to the test lead area. This is a 12 volt AC to DC adapter, and it is currently on 3 volts. But like I said, because the bilge ducted fan is a 6 amp, this power adapter will get warm after a while and quite hot. Please be careful. This is only a temporary setup, and it is not supposed to be on this extension cord. It's supposed to be on a power strip with a temperature trip switch. You know, those multi-powered strips with the 3 to 4 connectors that does have a temperature tripping switch that you can reset on the on-off switch. So once again, the ducted fan does move air, even at 3 volts. I appreciate your patience. I look forward to the next video, and goodbye for now.